Hi, I'm Gavin Ruane, and I did this project with Alessia Gatti. Alessia and I both like music and we have similar music tastes, so we decided to create an app that shows three of our favorite albums. Let me start the program. On the first page, this is where you'll be able to get into each of the albums, and you can click a button and it will take you to each of the respective pages. We have instructions right here. When I mouse over an album, you can see that there is a little animation to let you know that you are highlighting a button. Let's check out this album. When I click, I get to go to the album page. This gives me information about the album. This is the album Melodrama, released in 2017 by Lorde. And now at the bottom, we wrote why we like it. Over here is a back button. You can click this to go back to the main screen at any time. The other albums are very similar, with different data. Now, let's take a look at the code on the right. Over here, we have sections for each of the albums on the main page. We have the Melodrama section, Be the Cowboy, and Fruit. These are all titles of the albums. The code is pretty much identical, except for that some of the objects, as you can see, are referred to different pictures. So Mitski refers to this one, Fruit refers to this one, and again, these are names of the different arts of the different albums and their artists. In each section, we have three little blocks of code, you could say. So the first one is when you click one, which I'll do an example, it will change the screen. The second, right here, defines when you mouse over an object. And as you can see, it shrinks the album cover just to let you know, again, that you're mousing over a button. And our third block of code right here is the instructions for when your mouse leaves the button and it enlarges and becomes the normal size. And again, the code is pretty much the same for these other two buttons, except for that they're different images with different titles. Down at the bottom, we have three more blocks of code. And again, the code is very similar for each of them, except for the pages, and the names of the pages and the objects are a bit different. These three blocks of code define what the back button does for each page. So for example, if I go into this album's page and click this button, on event, this is Be the Cowboy, by the way, so on event, when this button is clicked, it will return to the main page. And that's pretty much our app. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you get some great suggestions from our app. So thank you so much for watching.